Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and welcome to 1020 Dockside Place in Webb at Lake Oconee. Y'all come on inside and take a look around. So this is the Dunwoody floor plan where you have your flex room that could be used as an office or another bedroom. Okay, so this is the first bedroom that you have right off the foyer. This is a very spacious ensuite bedroom. We've got the bathroom here. It could be used as a secondary master, but what a great place for your guests to stay. Coming back through the foyer, you have this great open floor plan with this very spacious kitchen. We have granite countertops in here, custom cabinetry, high-end appliances. Oh, don't forget to check out this pantry. I wish my pantry was this organized, but you have this great walk-in pantry here with custom shelving. Right out the kitchen, you have the dining room. This is a great space. You have windows out to your backyard and tons of natural light. Coming in off of the kitchen, you have this great living room where we have wood-burning fireplace, remote control blinds that go off to your screen porch. And speaking of screen porch, let's go ahead and check that place out next. All right, y'all come check out this amazing screen porch that leads right on out to this beautiful covered porch area. We have these great pine trees here and just an amazing place to relax. You would find me here every minute of the day if this was my house. Let's check out the rest. All right, coming back through the living room, let's check out this master suite. Now, if you thought the first bedroom was spacious, check out the master on this property and look at this spacious master bathroom. In this great, bright third bedroom here, we've got a very large closet here off of this third bedroom, which is great for additional room if that huge closet in the master suite wasn't big enough for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 1020 Dockside Place. For more information on this listing, please visit my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com.